Now, I run programs in 35 countries, and a big part of my programs is getting organizations to get their employees on board their brand. So these are some tips for you. Now, again, you could hire someone, a professional like me, to come in and deliver those programs, or you could start to think about how you could now create your own programs. I'm going to recommend some things that need to happen in the program. The first thing that needs to happen is a clear explanation about what your brand represents, what it stands for. That's so crucial. Number two, once you have a clear explanation of the brand, it now needs to be translated through behaviors, through actions, through communication. So you're going to take that brand, clarify it, and make sure that your people who attend this program, this training program that you are going to create, is able to articulate what are the right behaviors, what are the right actions, what is the right language, how would they communicate to other people. That's number two. Number three, in the training program, you need to start to think about how you can get your people to participate in the brand, to advocate the brand. Because you see, branding is not one way, it has to be two-way. And if your employees who come in for the training program walk away feeling like they want to shout on the rooftops, they want to go out to the world and talk about how proud they are of being part of the brand, that's what you need to get out of that sessions. And that is so crucial. And remember, at the end of the day, this is not a dry, boring session. Bring in lots of engagement, lots of activities, lots of energy. Make them feel inspired, make them give high fives, make them feel like they really belong in your organization, in your brand. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you develop and create an internal branding training program for your own organization. Hey, if you have any more branding questions, please send me your questions to Jerome@jeromejoseph.com.